Hey guys, we've got the new designer flower cookie kit by Bakery Bling, and we are going to show you how to put it together. We are excited to be here and we're excited to show you how to do it. You ready for this, baby?
Yeah.
Okay, for step one, we are going to take everything out of the box. We're going to get everything organized. We're going to put our glittery sugars into little bowls. I find it easier and less of a mess to do it that way. So once you get everything out, you're going to have your icing. You're going to want to very slightly cut the tip of your icing bag with kitchen scissors so they're clean. And then children, you need adult supervision. Mailer is getting old enough, so I'm going to let you do this, okay? Be very careful. Okay. Got it? Be really careful. Perfect. Such good work. Good work. All right. Okay, so once you cut the tip of your icing bag, adult designers, you definitely need adult supervision, right, Miller?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. So now we're going to do step two, which is going to be outline the circle of the cookie and then every other petal. So Miller, how you're going to do this is we want to do the circle first, right? So once we get these filled in, step three is going to be to put one of the glittery sugars on the petal. Now, once you fill the middle in with the white icing, you're just gonna leave that. No glittery sugar goes in the middle. So we are going to fill in our petals, fill in our circles. How are you doing over there, baby? Once you get the three petals filled in, you're going to take the pink glittery sugar and we're going to fill in your petals. You don't want to fill in the center yet. That's one of the last steps we're going to do, because then all the sugars will get on the center and it's not going to be as clean as we want it to be. Okay. We're going to take our cookie icing again and we are going to fill in the next three petals. How are you doing, Mel? So that's what our cookie looks like. Now I'm going to take my cookie icing again and we're going to fill in the next three petals. All right, so step five, once you get those last petals filled in, you're gonna take your yellowish glittery sugar and you are going to sprinkle it on.
Can I do that one?
Of course you can, honey. Let's get some, and pat it in too. You're gonna make yourself a beautiful flower. Perfect for some family fun. And as Miller's doing, you can sprinkle as much on as you want. You can make your own unique flower. We're gonna fill in the white, the center of our flower. So you're gonna fill that in with white icing, like we're gonna do here, and you're gonna leave that white, and then you're gonna be able to put your flower accessories on. A little glitter never hurt anyone. Ask me. All right, you ready? Then we're gonna take our ladybugs and we're gonna take our bees and we are gonna put them on our flower. And you can really put those anywhere you want. I'm trying to decide what angle I want my flower. I think I'll put my bee up top there and put my little ladybug going down. And that is one cute flower. How are you doing, Mel? You like mine?
Yeah.
Ooh, I love it. All right, for our latest cookie kits, check out bakerybling.com.